CNC circular pipe double spindle drilling machining case. You can drill 2 spindles at the same time. You can also drill a single spindle. The rotation axis rotates 360 degrees at any angle.